Hi, Tarun Kumar here from Lordsmark Industries, Director India Operations. Sickle cell anemia is like an orphan disease which is not detected and today is suffering from being relegated to the corners as far as healthcare facilities and treatment and modalities for future is concerned. It was actually in 2015 when Government of India did a census of the number of patients suffering from sickle cell anemia. It was found that almost 2 crore people in India have been detected with sickle cell anemia. India being a huge country, the challenges are manifold, and because of the challenges, the best way to understand was when we collaborated with IIT Mumbai. And we could understand that the disease is going totally unnoticed, and complications of sickle cell anemia like fatigue or loss of life, or basically the disease progressing at a very fast pace was found. Sickle cell anemia until now was understood to be a disease of the tribal areas, primarily because this is a disease which is with the DNA of patients. But India has evolved in last 2-3 decades. People are migrating from villages to towns, towns to cities. Therefore, the disease is well rampant and well spread across the country. But the biggest challenge is detection is not there. There has been tests which are HPLC tests, for which the patient has to come to the detection center, give his samples, and that gets further complicated because the sample loses its efficacy in 2-3 days of transit to a metro city for a final testing. And those tests are also not conclusive. Lordsmark Industries is a diversified group. This is a company which started 20-25 years back. And it started with paper industry, and then it got more diversified into electric mobility, into lighting, and many other areas. Last 2-3 years, the company has diversified into healthcare and IVD business. IVD business where detection, testing, and kits are provided to a large population of the country, where detection can be done in a very simple and easy manner. And that is where Lordsmark Industries signed an agreement with IIT Mumbai to kind of find a solution to this disease or detection of this disease. And therefore, today when we are talking to you, we are providing a solution in which detection and screening can be done at the site where the sample is collected. That too within 30 minutes. That is the most simple and easy solution which can be provided for a disease which till now has been kept in the kept behind the scene. Lordsmark Industries collaborated and signed an exclusivity agreement for detection and screening of sickle cell anemia with IIT Mumbai on 3rd of May. And the technology is such that you just have to draw samples, and some exclusive testing mechanism which has been developed by IIT Mumbai enables you to detect the patient's condition of sickle cell anemia at the site itself. And this technology has been licensed by IIT Mumbai with Lordsmark Industries, which Lordsmark Industries intends to take it to all the districts and towns and villages of India. Lordsmark Industries will collaborate with government organizations to provide it for the medical care centers or the local healthcare centers of government. It will collaborate with pathological clinics and pathology testing companies, corporate hospitals. And in fact, I must tell you that Lordsmark Industries is setting up 1,000 clinics across the country to ensure screening of sickle cell anemia can happen on a large scale. Lordsmark Industries also has a 30,000 square feet sprawling manufacturing facility of IVD kits in Vasai near Thane, where it is planning to produce these kits on a mass scale. We have a capacity of producing almost 1.5 lakh kits every day, so that we can serve the need of the Indian population. And the attempt is to provide it at a price which is economical, which is reachable, and it ensure that you don't have to come back for longer and more expensive tests at all. Affordability, what I mean, earlier the patient would travel to the center, then his sample will go to a metro city for HPLC testing, and the whole traveling and sample testing would cost something around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees for a patient. And many times what used to happen, for the second confirmatory sampling, the patient won't come at all because it will become taxing in terms of travel and in the stress. And second is because of the cost implications. Lordsmark Industries will make this test available at the healthcare centers. It will reach you to your home, to your local healthcare center, and that too the test will be at 1/10 of the price of what you are paying today. Therefore, an affordable test will make people come and willingly go for the test. Second is there is no complication, just you need 1 drop of blood from your finger. That's it. And that's where the solution lies. So affordable, accessible, simplified, non-stressful. Lordsmark Industries is foraying into healthcare in a very passionate way. While I'll tell you passionate way, because there are many diseases in India which are not considered to be very serious, like skincare diseases like psoriasis, eczematic conditions. Doctors are prescribing medicines, either they are very expensive or the old ones are not working properly. So Lordsmark Industries is going to collaborate, bring a lot of in-licensing global products in India in many of these segments, so that the treatment which is available or the medicines which are available internationally in dollar prices can be brought to India in affordable Indian rupee prices.